I ordered 2 BTS meal and it came with 1.
Disconnected or is no longer in service. If you feel you have reached this recording in error, please check the number and try your call again.
So guys, I went to go buy the BTS meal and I ordered 2 plus like Big Mac for my family and like combo, and then like the order got confused, so it only came with 1 BTS meal. So my fam went back to get another one.
Oh, the struggle is real.
Yeah.
Oh wait, we have extra fries, huh? Took so much effort on setting this up. Like, wait.
She's still putting in effort. Alright, so what are we eating today?
We're eating the BTS meal. Our plan was to do like a Korean street food mukbang, but I was curious about the
Chili sauces?
chili sauces, especially the Cajun.
Cajun sauce? I wonder if it actually tastes like Cajun.
Focus!
Is it Cajun sauce or Namjoon sauce?
Oh, is it not? Oh, is that why?
No, I'm pretty sure. Korean, this is Cajun. Namjoon.
Cajun, Namjoon.
But anyways.
Okay, so you know how I accidentally made a mistake in the order, so these aren't air fried.
Yeah, so it's actually pretty good because this will be a comparison.
Yeah,
Because
these are air fried.
these are air fried here. The fries here and the chicken nugget here are air fried, but these aren't. And then maybe we'll taste it and see if it actually makes a difference. Or
Yeah.
not. Yeah.
So should we get started?
Yeah. Sauce do you want to try first?
I want to try this Cajun first.
Cajun first, okay.
Yeah. Should we open both or what? Oh, yeah.
I mean, let's see. Let's see what? What?
It's like honey mustard color.
Okay, so I didn't expect the color to be like this. I don't know if you guys ever
You could
seen.
you could go closer.
I don't know if you guys ever seen Cajun like color in like boiling crab and type of thing,
Whoa.
right?
Okay.
Guys, it low key just smells like mustard.
Wait, it smells like honey mustard.
Yeah, it's like honey mustard, but it's less honey.
I want to try the air fried one first.
Okay, go ahead. I'm gonna just do this. I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Okay. That's how it is.
Did we get honey mustard?
I know. I put more sauce this time.
More sauce.
Okay, like I'm literally putting this much sauce. I don't know if it's hopefully I could taste it this time.
This is honey mustard.
Yeah.
Wait.
So-
It has like a spicy.
So basically, it's honey mustard, but it's spicy.
A bit spicy.
Yeah.
With, like,
It's nice actually. It's not too spicy. Better.
wait, I want to try with the fries. It's air fried.
Not gonna lie, I don't know if this is Cajun. Like it's not really Cajun flavor, but this sauce isn't bad. Oh.
I like it better than honey mustard because it's spicier. Because I like spice.
I thought you would too.
Wait, let's try the sweet chili. Maybe
Yeah.
this one's better.
Apparently, this one just tastes like gochujang.
This one?
Yeah.
You block your face. Okay.
That was the impression.
Let's
from-
just open one this time.
Yeah. You smell it first and tell me how it smells like. Looks like barbecue sauce.
Oh. Oh.
It smells like gochujang.
It smells like gochujang.
It's cut the video.
Okay, for the video.
But it smells like gochujang.
Oh shoot, I tasted it before.
How is it?
It tastes like barbecue sauce and gochujang mixed together.
That's what I was gonna say. I was gonna say, you know the spicy barbecue sauce? It smelled like it smelled like that, but it had a scent of gochujang in it, which was very interesting.
I apologize. I'm a mess. Okay.
Alright, so
Did you try the air fried chicken nuggets?
yeah, this looks like from first hand it looks like sweet and sour.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, guys, so this is pretty good too. I like it.
Mmm.
It's sweet.
Oh, it's sweet. Okay, we turned the the fan on because it's so hot.
And the video cut off
Yeah, the video cut off.
for some reason.
But I got extra batteries.
So your favorite member is?
Oh, did we
I don't know.
record?
I'm not
Okay,
sure.
we'll say it again just in case. Who's your favorite member? BTS. Jimin.
For sure.
Mine is Taeyong. V. And then favorite song?
Save Me and Truth Untold.
And then mine is 4 o'clock and Spring Day. Spring Day.
But Save Me just has a vibe that I like. Oh, that sounds nice.
Do you know how Butter goes?
I listen to it.
Butter. Sorry. I feel like you're not centered. Yeah?
Now I've been eating this. This actually tastes really good.
Yeah, gochujang and barbecue.
No, it's like
Is this barbecue?
Yeah, it's like gochujang and sweet and sour, not barbecue.
This is barbecue sauce.
Barbecue. So yeah, I think I like this one actually. Sweet chili.
You like that one?
In the beginning, I liked the Cajun sauce.
I still like the Cajun better.
Really?
Yeah. Wait, I should try the chicken nugget without air fried.
So it is different. So this feels a lot crispier.
Yeah, this is the non air fried one. So wait, let me try first.
You can tell the difference.
This is way crispier.
Yeah, I
It's
think.
kind of like soggy. I don't know. McDonald's lovers, please don't unsubscribe. I don't like McDonald's. It's like so dry and everything. You have to eat it like right at the spot, like McDonald's.
But right, look at this. Apparently, air frying it makes it 10 times better.
It does.
You know what I do with my Big Mac sometimes?
What do you do?
I come home and I cook it again.
How do you cook Big Mac again?
So I will toast the buns.
Oh, okay, I see.
The patty again.
Yeah, why don't you just work at McDonald's?
Just leave my job right now.
He has a really nice job. He makes a lot of money.
I don't make that much money.
So can I tell him?
I mean, it doesn't really matter.
Electrical engineering.
But you know what's funny? I want to go with college right now.
Why? I hate it.
You have vacation.
Yeah, you don't, huh?
Yeah.
Well, if you became a teacher,
Yeah, I'm saying I'd be a bad teacher because I'd be too lenient. I tell this to everyone. If I was a professor, my class would be so funny. I would have no homework.
no homework.
I would have no
I
assignment.
wouldn't want you as my professor.
No, but the problem is my grade is going to be solely based on the final exam.
Okay, never mind. No.
Like grade midterms and finals. Only homework and stuff.
But you're only sure return finals. Yeah, this mukbang was fun. Honestly, I have fun doing mukbangs with you. Did you guys watch our chicken mukbang? Go watch it right now. Like
Yeah.
right here.
Is it here?
Here?
Or is it in front
You know,
of
like the tag that comes in.
Oh,
YouTube?
you can do that?
Yeah, I could do that. Is it on this side?
Where do you put it though? Like,
I think I put it on this side. This side? BTS meal is
honestly, truthfully, it's just a chicken nugget meal with different sauces.
yeah.
I don't know what else to say about it. I mean, the chicken nugget is something.
There's nothing else to say about it.
I've probably eaten about like 3,500 chicken nuggets in my life. I love chicken nuggets. My friends know that too. And it's just chicken nugget with different sauce, and I like this sauce.
You like that sauce?
Yeah, that's your
I like the Cajun.
That sauce.
No, it's not gonna focus.
And I like this sauce. But anyway,
I don't know.
I know what to say. Air fryer McDonald's.
We're thinking of making a TikTok together. A
Oh.
TikTok account. Are you down?
Yeah, I mean, okay.
I think it'd be funny. Would people even watch us? Like, we'll see.
I mean, people watch you on YouTube, so
Yeah, that's true. Which I'm really thankful for.
that would be too.
Right? Yo, I'm like amazed with this new camera. The quality is so nice.
I've seen your new videos. I feel like the camera.
You see my new videos and the camera quality is better?
It's not it yet, right?
I think every time a battery bar goes down, the camera turns off.
But anyways, I was gonna say, this camera looks the same as GoPro, so
Yeah.
I don't know what.
Is it focused? I think it's focused.
Oh! You tried. I'm so blurry in the back. Oh, focus me.
Oh, get out. Oh, yeah.
I gotta admit, I'm impressed that this camera's like facial recognition, because I was literally like in this much, and it recognized my face before your hand.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool.
It's cool. I was debating between the Canon. I like this.
You like this
I mean, I didn't use the Canon, but the fries are good.
Is it good?
I mean, I like the air fried ones.
Yeah, these are getting soggy.
Yeah, that was our mukbang. If you guys want more, we could do more. It's just he's really busy with like life life in general.
Like, I work out every day,
He works out every day.
and then I go to golfing on Saturday usually. And then on Sunday I'm out of soccer. So.
Yeah. So like,
Really?
this was so hard to schedule. Like this mukbang right now we're doing.
I'm basically doing sports 7 days a week. Too healthy. Also, I lost 5 pounds.
Are you okay? Like, is your body okay?
Yeah.
Okay, then that's fine. I mean, like, if you can't take it, it's like unhealthy, but if you can take it.
Also, I'm getting stronger.
Huh?
I'm getting stronger.
I should do more sports. Actually, let me try the sweet chili again.
That's a strawberry jam.
Actually, that is good.
Yeah.
But like this is more sweet, so like you can actually taste the sauce.
Yeah.
This one, like,
Yes.
we should do a Q&A mukbang.
Yeah.
Why are you so far away from me? Closer. Do you don't like me? I bought ice cream.
Which one?
Melona and Papico. And Samako. Do you know Samako is a boba?
Oh no.
We have one more left.
I'm gonna try that.
You ever try it? Much more to say, like,
Yeah.
honestly, this is pretty, like,
It's pretty basic.
it's too, is it hyped up?
A little bit.
It's
But then again, like,
BTS.
yeah.
That's BTS.
I love BTS too, so
They're really good. They're just, like, skilled artists.
they're talented.
They're really talented and skilled.
And good looking.
Yeah.
I think that's a really big part of that. Talented and good looking. It's kind of unfair.
How is that even possible?
I don't know. God,
You're talented and good looking and skilled in electrical engineering. Okay. Now it's recording. It cut off again, but
you know what? I think you're right.
yeah, like the bar, every time the bar goes
Maybe
down.
they're just setting for that.
Yeah.
But I think
Thank you for joining me in this mukbang.
no worries. I'm always happy.
I know. Our relationship got so much better when we got to college.
Yeah. 'Cause we stopped seeing each other.
Yeah.
Not enough conversation anymore.
But I think that's our bye.
Yeah.
We'll do more mukbangs.
Okay. I'm gonna finish this up here.
Okay. Should we do a cheers before?
Okay, let's go.
And chicken nuggets.
Cheers.
So this is the boba samako.
So I just took a bite out of it.
You like it? I mean, I don't like boba or samako.
So the problem with this is, you know, really concentrated milk tea.
Yeah.
Tastes like that. A super concentrated milk tea. I don't taste any brown sugar. It just tastes like really.
Wait, can I take a bite?
Yeah, it just, I think. Oh no, but I just chewed one. Doesn't it just taste like milk tea? I don't know why they've been doing this with their brown sugar ice creams.
I'm in my la la land. Come stop me if you can. I like to ride my roller coaster in my wonderland. You know I have my plans. Come stop me if you can. I'm I'm on my way to build my city as I sing and dance. Go, go, make it move. Go, go, show and prove. Go, go, feel your groove. Ooh, ooh.